A high-ranking source close to the Trump legal team tells CBN News that attorney Sidney Powell no longer has a role because her claims went beyond evidence that the legal team had either seen or could prove in court.
Powell repeatedly has said that she has the evidence to overturn the presidential election results.
First of all, I never say anything I can't prove. And President Trump won by not just hundreds of thousands of votes, but by millions of votes that were shifted by this software that was designed expressly for that purpose. We have sworn witness testimony of why the software was designed. It was designed to rig elections.
But a senior administration official told the Washington Examiner, quote, "Sidney has made these claims, but she has not shown, to my knowledge, evidence to support them, not to the campaign and not to the White House." In an email to the Wall Street Journal, Powell said, quote, "I agree with the statement today. I will represent #WeThePeople and seek the truth. I intend to expose all the fraud and let the chips fall where they may. We will not allow the foundations of this great republic to be destroyed by abject fraud." The president's legal team suffering a legal setback Saturday when a federal judge ruled against their suit in Pennsylvania. They're appealing to circuit court. Constitutional scholar and attorney Alan Dershowitz says the president still has several constitutional paths to victory.
For example, in Pennsylvania, they have two very strong legal arguments. One, that the courts changed what the legislature did about counting ballots after the end of Election Day. That's a winning issue in the Supreme Court. I don't necessarily support it, but it's a winning issue in the Supreme Court. And Justice Alito has already hinted that's a winning issue. They also have a winning issue in the Supreme Court on equal protection, that some counties allowed flawed ballots to be cured while others didn't.
Meanwhile, Michigan is preparing a vote on whether to certify election results or delay the process to allow an audit. With at least one Republican member of the state's canvassing board expected to delay the certification, if the other Republican forces a tie, the issue could end up in court. Michigan's House Speaker told Fox News,
"If there were to be a 2-2 split on the State Board of Canvassers, it would then go to the Michigan Supreme Court to determine what their response would be, what their order would be."
The Trump campaign also requesting another recount in Georgia.
The biggest challenge in contesting this election is time, and it's running out. The Electoral College is set to vote on December 14th, just 3 weeks away. Caitlin Burke, CBN News.